Good morning, students of 10th standard. We are again back with history and political science. Today, we are going to deal with the topic how history is connected to mass media and how mass media is connected to history. My dear students, mass media. What do you understand by the word mass media? If you see, mass means what? A group of people or people, okay, or many people together, mass. And media is what? A means of communication. So mass media is communication to the people in a big group, okay, mass media. So how this communication which is done to people, how history is connected with that. Okay, there is a history of mass media, no, how the things are happened. Now at present we see all many details on the internet. Okay, wi-fi, you open Wikipedia or you go to Google and you'll find all the possible information. But was it there before? Internet was there before? No, there was newspaper. And newspaper, before newspaper, what was there? So all this, how it developed, okay, how it developed, how the printing came into being. When the printing started, that means the newspaper started. So what are the things, how to develop, we shall see in the lesson mass media and history. Introduction to mass media. Mass media contains two words. Mass in this context means an aggregation of people. Media means various modes of communication. Thus, mass media is a field of mass communication. We can easily send some information to a faraway destination through a medium of communication. In the olden days, a crier would run in the streets, beating drums and crying out important news according to the orders of the king. The news would spread among people by word of mouth. Today, mobile is there. You can contact people anywhere in the world. History of mass media. Printing technology and newspapers were introduced in India after the arrival of the British. People started receiving printed news through newspapers. Newspapers became the first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge among people. Newspapers. Newspaper is a publication which mainly prints news, editorials, people's opinions, entertaining or other supplementary content. It is printed and distributed regularly at a definite time. Newspapers provide various local, national, and international news. Newspapers are historical documents which record current events. Precursor of newspaper means before, precursor. Okay, one who goes before. It is called precursor. Before the beginning of the Common Era, there was a custom in Egypt of placing inscriptions with royal decrees at public places. Emperor Ashoka also resorted to similar method to reach out to his subjects. In the Roman Empire, royal decrees were written on papers and those were distributed in all regions. They also contained the information of various events taking place in the nation and its capital. During Julius Caesar's reign, newspapers known as Acta Diurna, meaning acts of everyday, used to be placed at public places in Rome. It was a very effective way of conveying royal commands to people. In the 7th century CE, royal dictates were distributed among people at public places. In England, handouts used to be distributed occasionally, giving information about wars or important events. Travelers arriving from far away would add spice to stories from those places and narrate it to local people. The ambassadors of a king posted at various places would send back important news to the royal court. Bengal Gazette, the first English newspaper of India, was printed on 29 January 1780. It was named as Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette. It was started by James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman. Darpan, the newspaper Darpan was started in 1832 in Mumbai. Bal Shastri Jambekar was the editor of Darpan. The news printed in Darpan can be reviewed to know about the political, economic, social, and cultural events of those times. Here are few news titles as examples. First, the accounts of expenditure from the three administrative divisions of the East India Company. Second, the danger of Russian attack on the nation. Third, the appointment of a committee for cleanliness of the city. Fourth, remarriage of Hindu widows. Fifth, the inception of theatre at Calcutta. Sixth, achievements of Rajaram Mohan Roy in England. Reporting of such news threw light on various historical events of those days. Then came Prabhakar. This newspaper was started by Bhau Mahajan. The history of French Revolution and Shatpatre, that is 100 letters, no? The letters by Lokhit Wadi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, aimed at creating social awareness, were published in this newspaper. The Nyandoy printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. Okay, Nyandoy printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. The honor of printing an illustration in an Indian newspaper for the first time goes to Nyandoy. The news of installation of telegraph used for electrically transmitting a news can be seen in Nyandoy. The news of the starting of railways in India was printed in Nyandoy under the title Chakya Mahasobha, meaning Mahasobha with wheels. It had also printed the news of the Indian War of Independence of 1857. Newspapers in those times were a very important medium of creating social awareness. A newspaper named Prakash supported widow remarriage in a big way. Dinbandhu, a newspaper representing the masses of the Indian society, Bahujan Samaj, was started by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, close associate Krishnarao Bhalekar. We get to know about the issues relating to the masses through this newspaper. Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha, the two newspapers, are indicative of an important stage in the history of Indian newspapers before independence. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak started these papers in 1881. They spoke about the social and political issues of that period. Kesari began to publish articles about the nationwide situations, books in the native languages, and the politics in England. In the 21st century, newspapers have continued to fulfill an important role. It was acknowledged the fourth column of democracy. Magazines and journals. Magazines and journals are periodical publications. This category includes publications which are weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, annual, etc. There may be some chronicles which are published at no fixed time. Balshastri Jambekar started the first monthly magazine in Marathi. It was named Digdarshan. Among the periodicals, Pragati, now a defunct journal, was started 1929 and edited by Trimbak Shankar Shezwalkar. He wrote regularly in this historiographical journal of Maharashtra's history and social movements. Currently, there are many periodicals devoted to Indian history. Marathi journals such as Bharatiya Itihas आणि Samskruti and Marathwada Itihas Parishad Patrika may be cited as examples. Okay, electronic and all we shall see. Electronic or digital journalism we shall see later on. Okay. Thank you.